Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, here we are with a new chapter of your book, that is chapter 3, Decimals. So, before I start decimal, I just want to tell you that in fractions, I have seen most of you are still confused. I want you all to brush up and keep on doing some questions which you are not understanding. Anytime you can ask me. So let us begin our new chapter. Name of the chapter is decimals. So what are decimals? First we will see what are the decimals. Now decimals are the fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or multiples of 10. Not multiples actually, they keep on increasing with the power of 10. Example 2 by 10. So this is a decimal fraction. You know why fraction? Because it has a numerator and a denominator. One more number 0.23, 0.57, 2.93. These are all your decimal numbers. So I hope the difference between fraction and number is clear. And how are decimals represented? Decimals are represented by a point or a dot. So first we will start like and unlike fractions. Sorry, not fractions, decimals. Now, what are like and unlike decimals? Like decimals are the decimals that have same number of digits after the point. Before point they can have any whole number, no problem. But after the decimal we have to see how many digits are there. See one example, 2.3, 4.5, 6.7. If you see properly, I have underlined here how many digits are there after decimal. Here also 1, here also 1, here also 1. So, all have 1 digit after decimal. So, they all are like decimals. Even they can have 2, 2, 3, 3 and so on. But after decimal, they should have same number of digits. Now, what are unlike decimals? Unlike decimals are opposite of your like decimals. Like decimals have same number after dot. Now, unlike decimals have different number after your decimal point. See an example. 12.45, 6.393, 7.8. You can see properly. The first number has how many digits after decimal? 2. Second number has 3 digits after decimal and third number has 1 digit after decimal. So they are your unlike decimals. I hope like and unlike is clear. Like means same. So if 1 digit after decimal, all of them should have 1. If 2, then 2. And unlike means different. Now we will see how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals. This is very important because it will help you in comparison, addition and subtraction. So I will only teach you how to convert unlike to like. Then you can do comparisons, addition, subtraction yourself. So how to convert? Please listen to me properly. How to convert unlike to like? Taking with an example, I have taken a set of decimal number as 2.673. We never read the number as 2.673. After decimal, it is always written in distinct numbers. So 2.673, 24.54, 3.09 and 48.5. If you see properly, here 3 digits after decimal, here 2 digits after decimal, here 2 digits after decimal and here 1 digit after decimal. So these are like and I want it to convert to, these are actually unlike, I want to convert them to like. What we will do? First you have to see what is the maximum number of digits after decimals. So here if you see 3 is the maximum number of digits after decimal, otherwise it is 2, here it is 2, here it is 1. So first we will see the maximum number of digits. So 3, then I will get all the numbers as it is. 2.673, 24.54, 3.09, 48.5. Now, 3 is your maximum digits after decimal. For other digits which have less than 3 digits, keep on adding zeros to make it 3. Look here, it was 24.54. So only 2 digits after decimal. What I did? I added 1 0. It also became a 3 digit after decimal. Now here again it was 3.09. Only 2 digits after decimal. I added one more 0. Now the last one 48.5 has only 1 digit after decimal. What I did? I added 2 zeros, and you can see now all of them are like. Clear? Changing is very easy. Just keep on adding as many zeros are required. First you will see the maximum number of digits and then keep on adding zeros. So just now we discussed conversion of unlike decimals to like decimals. Let us see some examples. As I told, they help in comparison, addition and subtraction. So I am taking one example. See, these are the questions. They are taken from your exercise only, exercise 3.1 on page number 39. The first question is to compare 12.53 and 12.35. Now here it is very easy. If you see both of them are like 2 digits after decimal and 2 digits after decimal. So you will compare with the simple rules of mathematics. Here also 12 find. Then find, if you see here 12 and 12 are equal. 12 is equal to 12. So let us move to 5 and 3. So 5 is greater than 3. Therefore, what you will write? 12.53 is greater than 12.35. Very easy. The only thing is that you have to see like or unlike. Second question, 4.09 and 4.9. Now if you see here you have 2 digits and here only 1 digit is there. So what we will do, we will change them to like first. So 4.09 and 4.9. What I will do? I will add a 0. Now 4 and 4 are same. Fine. 0 and 9. So 9 is greater than 0. So obviously 4.09 is less than 4.90. You can check it yourself. And if you are very good in conversion, then it will help you in arranging the numbers in ascending order or descending order. Nothing is there. Only you have to make them like. Once like decimals or without decimal, things are same. Now add. I am taking question number 3 subpart second of your book. You have to add 0.05 and 0.004. So what I will do, I will write the numbers as 0.05 and plus 0.004. If you see properly, they are both unlike. So what I will do, I will make it like, I will put the 0 here. Simply, it's done now. Once you have changed them to like, 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0.0 is your answer. Clear? Yes. Let us move to the question number 4. I am taking subpart 4 of your book. You have to subtract 8.5 minus 2.785. Let us do the same technique. 8.5 minus 2.785. What we will do? Yes, we will change them to like. So I will add 1 0 here and 1 0 here. Let us do the subtraction. Now this is 10, this is 9, this is 4. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 7 I cannot do. So this is 7 and this is 14. 14 minus 7 is 7.5. Let me check. Yes, correct. Is it clear? I hope this much is clear to you. It's very easy. Only thing is, please make every unlike decimal to like decimal. So this much must be clear to you. Like, unlike, addition, subtraction and comparison. Now your homework is, I am taking exercise 3.1. I am talking about page 39. So you have to do question number 3, first and fourth subpart. Question number 4, only second you have to do. Question number 5, only first you have to do. Question number 6, only second you have to do. Don't worry for question number 1 and 2. That we will see in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.